Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on VIVO Y36. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction, and now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. And now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge is now all installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.